Well, I am the one that says my favorite drink is black coffee. But to kind of do a little bit of a slight variation, my real favorite drink is what's called a flash brew, where you make a modified pour over into ice. So it's like a hot black coffee that's immediately chilled. We use around 18 to 19 grams of coffee. One thing you want to do, instead of using 320 milliliters of water like we normally would for a pour over, you reduce that to only 200, because you're going to add 7 to 8 premium ice cubes, like the good, nice, hard, square ones, into the carafe, and that ice is going to melt, and you're going to get a good diluted beverage. Yeah.
Tell me about these premium ice cubes.
The premium ice cubes. So we have a good ice machine that makes like perfectly square 1.25 by 1.25 cubes. Good ice cubes. Like if you paid, $20 for a cocktail, those are the cubes that would be in there.
Okay.
We used to go down the street and get it from a restaurant who has a cold draft machine in a cooler. Yeah, and we would scoop it out. So now we have our own. Yeah. And you can get them in a much cheaper coffee drink.
Right.
Yeah.
Awesome.